Yeah. No.
Kitty.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Tea Center craft time. We are doing the zigzag worm craft today. To make the zigzag worm, what you will need are, you're gonna need a pair of scissors, glue, and 3 colors. Let's see how to make them. Now, first, get your white paper and we're gonna cut a long stripe out of the paper. Watch your fingers, focus on cutting. And set this stripe paper aside. And we are going to cut out the zigzag worm's head. First, cut a small square and round the edges and make a circle out of it. And now choose your favorite colors and let's color the body of the zigzag worm. I am going to make a pattern. I'm not going to color it, and you guys can do whatever you would like to too. Take your time and enjoy coloring. Now I'm going to set this one aside and I'm going to get the head of the zigzag worm and I'm going to color the head in color red. Once I'm done coloring, I'm going to get my black marker and I'm going to give it a happy face. I'm going to draw 2 eyes and a happy mouth. Now I'm done with coloring. I'm going to take the zigzag worm's body and I'm going to make the zigzag out of it. Now take the stripe and fold it into a zigzag. You're going to fold it this way and that way so that it makes a zigzag. Fold until you fold the whole paper. And once you are done folding, add some glue into the front of the zigzag worm's body and stick the head. And now you have made a zigzag worm. This is the zigzag worm I just made. And I hope you guys enjoyed our craft time at the Tea Center. Have a good rest of the